ICP got rejected here at about almost $10 2 weeks ago, where I talked about a falling wedge that could break out. This falling wedge pattern is still valid despite a fake out for the bears right here in the week of October 6th and 2 weeks ago. So, despite these 2 wicks, this pattern is still valid because wicks do not invalidate patterns. Candle closes do. Okay, so let's just say, for example, if we had a candle close 2 weeks ago above the pattern and the candle closes back into the pattern, that will invalidate the pattern on the highest time frame that the pattern is validated in. Okay, and ICP here still looking bullish because it is still running within this falling wedge pattern. Falling wedges have a higher chance of breaking to the upside. Could ICP see another attempt to break out of this falling wedge pattern sometime soon? We will see. Now, if this this price action, if ICP actually breaks out, let's just say by this point, for example, price target will still be about almost $22 for ICP. Now, I think I've been talking about ICP for the longest time, and there has been a lot of doubters, and especially when it was running within this very tight range here for the longest time. But I'm just saying, that is not a reason to give up, especially because we had a very long and twisted bull market. Okay, this has not been a very straightforward bull market. Okay, when you heard people talking about the quote, "The trend is your friend until the ends." Well, that doesn't really apply to this bull market, all right? In this bull market, you really have to learn how to trade sideways as well, and I'm trying to do that much more so than the previous markets. But I'm just saying, just because price action is boring for a very long time is not a reason to give up. Now, ICP here, let's take a look into a shorter time frame. I also want to point out that these price targets, a lot of which are price targets are estimates only, okay? There could be more, there could be less. A lot of which does depend on what happens with Bitcoin in the case of these altcoins. If Bitcoin starts dumping from here, these altcoin setups, they're not going to matter very much. Now, this is the 4-hour time frame. There is a falling wedge pattern. ICP looks like it's trying to break out right now. Let's just say, for example, this breakout is successful. Price target would be about $6.70 price target. Let's see if this is successful. Let's see if it meets that price target. Let's see if it breaks out of that bigger falling wedge pattern. So this is basically what I'm seeing for ICP, Internet Computer Token. Let me know if you guys want to continue seeing any more of this coin or any other coins in this market. I am long on quite a bit of altcoins right now, so my opinions on these markets are bullish. However, these are just my opinions. Like the entirety of this video, it's not financial advice. You guys gotta form your own opinions and strategies. So let's wrap it up for today, and I'll see you guys next time.